Alright, we got another package from Wish. Let's check out and see what's inside it. Okay, let's see. Hi there and welcome back for another Wish product review. So last year I seen this product on Wish and decided to purchase it. It was around $6. So this item is called a Blu-ray Acne Removing Blue Light Laser Pen Scar Acne Remover. Basically, it's a pen with a blue light. It has warm energy, produces blue light with a biocurrent. So at any time you can pause the video and read all the information on this piece of paper. This little pen is supposed to help you get rid of acne, wrinkles, or even various veins. And before using this product, you definitely want to read all the instructions, as there's a lot of what not to do's. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the item. So first off, you can see that it does not turn on because it does not come with batteries. And second, you can see how cheap it is. It's definitely all made out of plastic. On the top here is where the blue light comes out. And on the side is your up and down switch to turn it off and on. When it's on, the little circle will light up blue, shown here in the side picture. It's pretty cheap. Need a battery. Sorry I'm not able to demonstrate it turning on in this video as I don't have a battery. Here's a little bit more information from their selling page on the size, material, and weight, and all the product details. But in this picture it shows that it's stainless steel and metal conductive strip on certain areas of this product, which is not true because this item is completely plastic. And after trying it out for a few months, it does not work at all. The light portion does work, but it did not work for treating acne or wrinkles. And I'm not sure about various veins because I don't have any. So if you wanted to purchase this item and try it out, you can buy this on Wish. There will be no link provided. Would I purchase this product again? Definitely not. If you like this review, subscribe to the channel for a lot more product reviews. Also, click the like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching and we'll see you later. If you'd like to see more products from Wish, just head on over to my playlist called Wish.